The government's announcement today forms part of an overall move to introduce reforms to the public service. As part of the measures, numbers employed will fall dramatically in the years ahead. They're already falling quite considerably anyway, but they'll fall in the years ahead, down from the current 297,000 down to about 282,500 by 2015. This will produce a gross saving in the payroll bill for the state of somewhere in the region of €2.5 billion over the coming years. However, pension costs obviously will have to be taken into account of that as well. As part of the measure, the government has also announced an effective cancellation of the highly controversial decentralisation programme. This was aimed at transferring nearly 10,000 civil and public servants from Dublin, based in Dublin, to nearly 90 locations around the country. And 40 of those projects, which are currently underway, will remain in place, but a significant number, 40, will in essence be cancelled, and a further 20 will be reassessed by the government in the near future. So that is coming on top of the arrangements on the falling numbers. We're also going to see a new annual leave arrangement put in place for the public service. We're going to see a maximum number of days annual leave of 32 days. There will also be changes to how the abolition of highly controversial practices, whereby people who had days off for local festivals, race meetings, etc., that's all going to be abolished. So in essence, there's going to be a concentration of what constitutes annual leave, and it's going to be capped at 32 days for existing staff. New staff coming into the public service with even lower leave arrangements, it will be capped at 30 days. So as I say, it all forms part of an overall plan to reform how the public services operate in Ireland.